stir. As you can see, it's cooking up nicely. Meantime, I just have a refreshment. Sunday. You ready? Okay. Now there's still a bit of sauce. That should be right. Look at that. Just gotta love it. So what we're doing, what Connie's doing actually, not what I'm doing. Connie's just crumbing up some squid that we caught. I've marinated some calamari in there. We're gonna pack a little picnic and we're gonna head down and just have a little small family dinner, you know, in the afternoon, just before sun goes down. Yeah, it's a beautiful day today. Like, not too much. I mean, I should have gone fishing, but we were doing editing and other shit. So, but anyway, we'll show you when we get down to the beach. Over and out. There you go, we're back. We're at the beach. Anyway, we come down here with the fam. There you go. Yeah, we interacted very nicely. Hi. So we come down and what we you will see on the previous one is that I've got some squid. I think there's a bit of squid juice or something. Anyway, so what we're doing, we're down the beach here, as you can see, there's water and sand and beach. And we're just going to come down and cook the calamari that we caught yesterday. Here's a big one. Size 8, no? Yum yum. We're going to do some crumb and squid. Calamari, squid, whatever. Seafood anyway. What I'm doing at the moment is heating the oil up. And then I'm going to do the marinated one in this other pan that I've got over here. So. You're an idiot. So what I'm doing is this is what the end result is. Have a look at that one. So I've just skewered some calamari. And it's got balsamic vinegar and salt and pepper and garlic. I like to use white onion with my seafood.
Bit of green shit.
So yeah, got to have the green parsley shit. Everything's in there. This is nice and hot. With this dish here, it's important not to overcrowd the pan, because then it'll just stew and then tastes like shit, so you don't want to be doing that. I'll throw a bit of that in there as well. Yum yum. So that you can see that, you want to... So it's been marinating for around about an hour or so now. So not too long, but enough to give it some flavour. High heat. And it's just going to cook away. So that oil's about there, I think. Smells like it. Getting there. So I'm just doing this here. Bit of stir. As you can see, it's cooking up nicely. There we go.
Are the ones you caught yesterday, yeah?
Yeah, these are fresh as.
Yum. Plates?
There we go.
Yeah, I got plates.
That's just going off slowly. I've still got a few more in there that I'm not going to cook just yet because it will overcrowd the pan, and with this heat we've got at the moment. So you just keep it in there for a bit because obviously it's got to cook. Once the calamari's cooked, what I'll do is I will reduce that juice down. It'll get quite thick, like a balsamic sauce. So with the oil and that, and very nice. Oh yeah, I've got some lemons.
I just taking so it's not in the way.
The idea of filming is you film the person that you're filming, you know. So anyway, I'm cutting some lemon.
Like a cooking show.
We've got the lemon, alright? We're leaving that for when this is cooked. I like to put a little bit of lemon on it at the end. Yeah, the boy. You know when it's cooked when the calamari starts to caramelise a bit. So it's still cooking away. It's going to take a bit. In the meantime, I just have a refreshment. Sunday.
Fish up the water.
Lemon tea, lemon tea. we're doing it like this, so then you just pick it up. You don't need it in your hands, and girls don't burn themselves. I just stop going. Care for their well-being. Anyway, about there. Actually, that looks pretty good. So, wait. All right, so they're ready.
Yep.
So I'm just gonna put that one there. Like that. There we go. Now there's still a bit of sauce. Actually, that'll be alright. I'll go over the top of that. Over that. Number one, then I just get the lemons. What you do with lemons, you just stab them a couple times first. In there, like that.
Freshly picked this arbo.
Yeah, from the tree.
Reggie samurai sword.
There we go. And it's ready to eat.
Voila.
So that's all you have to do. It's pretty simple. With seafood, simple is good. Beautiful. Alright, so I've just chuck some calamari in. Now let's put some paper towels on. Alright, so sorry about that there, it's just that, you know. Alright. Like a kitchen here or something. Alright. So anyway, calamari's done. Now I'm cooking these a little bit.
It's gonna be hot. Jade, it's gonna be hot.
This way. It's gonna burn you, boy.
Oh yeah.
Anyway, so we got that. What a dickhead. Anyway, because these are tentacles, I do cook them a bit extra. Because I like them really crunchy. And then I'm going to put some chili sauce on them. Don't put too much in because
You're right, Jade.
it overheats.
Yum.
It overflows.
That's yum.
So this is calamari at the beach. I like it.
Nice.
Should we smash these ones in here as well?
On there, yeah, you can.
Oh!
That's a little bit of salt. Anyway.
Oh, I think they lacked a bit of salt last time round.
That's cooking
It is hot,
nicely
probably.
now. Yep. Now the reason why I put it in a saucepan, I know it sounds a bit stupid, but because it's the volume versus you want everything to cook deeply in there so it stays hot. Because otherwise you do something like this at the beach and the oil will just go cold, so you want to put it in a container like that so it stays quite hot. Otherwise you put it in a pan like that and that will go cold quite quickly because the amount of oil spread out over this side. So here, the reason why I'm doing it that way. Anyway, I'll try it. Cool. Yummy. I know.
It's gonna be nothing for dinner.
Have a look at this one. Look at that little porky pig.
Yeah!
Oh, very nice. Alright, Casper, what are you doing, mate?
Cooking.
What are you cooking, mate? What do you got there?
I'm cooking garlic butter squid.
Garlic butter squid.
Yeah.
Alright. And what are you going to do with it?
Eat it.
Nah, but you know what I mean. Like, what are you going to put it with it?
I don't know, probably some salad. Got some salad cooked up there.
Cooked up? Cooked up? Oh, I hope it's not cooked. I don't think there's much chance, mate, in here. Mate, it's about 10 degrees. When they're still frying, that's the end result. That's the other squid. Leo's just turned up. So, how this set up? He's got his drop-down fridge. There's all this shit in here. I don't know what the hell that is. Anyway, it's a multi-plus compact bullshit. I don't know. And he's got all the rest of his crap in here. He's making his salad up. All his crap in here, and then he's got this other shit. So, I don't know what that is in there, but it looks pretty good. It's like the type of guy who's got all the gear, no idea, you know, that type of guy. But this looks pretty good, don't worry. So anyway, we're down the beach here anyway. Look at that, what a wicked night. Middle of winter. Absolutely awesome. Look at that. Just unreal. What a night. Middle of winter night. Look at that. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Yeah, that's good. So anyway, we thought we'd have a little family dinner. So everyone's here. Not everyone, but you know. Yeah. have a little family dinner.
That must be straight. Must be ready to cook. That's what
Needs a bit more, mate. Look at that. Yeah, that's almost ready to go. I just did a couple of big ones. Yeah. You can pull it out though.
So is
It's
it
about
ready?
there, yeah, it is.
Is this all tentacles?
Yeah, that's tentacles, yeah. Yummy. Crunchy tentacles. Oh, Chana doesn't like it. They're bloody yummy, I'll tell ya.
Do you want one of these then?
Look at that. Alrighty.
Another one's in there?
And we'll show you what's going to happen next. Yeah, throw the other one in. Put him in there. That's it, now just step back because that's tentacles here. Yeah. And there should be, oh yeah, and I want to be. Oh, that's better. Jeez, there's some shit on it. What do you reckon, Casper?
Yes, good.
Alright?
Yep.
You like the fried stuff?
Yes, not bad. Good for outdoor.
Good, good. Leo, what do you reckon, mate?
Fresh squid, mate.
Did you, oh, you had some of the fried stuff as well?
Yeah, the
Yeah, nice
fried
and crunchy, eh? Bit of
Yeah, I like the
salad.
tentacles.
Kiana, what do you reckon, though? Squid at the beach? What do you reckon? Fresh squid, eh? Reckon, Dove? Alright?
Yep.
Alright, so a little bit of effort to get down the beach, but it's all worth it, especially when it's like this. Look at that. That's the shit I'm talking about. Winter's night. Alright, over and out.